Whoa. Hey guys, it's me, Gianna, and today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. I just downloaded it. Let's see if it's ready to play with. Okay. Wait, I just installed it. Okay. Well, yeah, so we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. I've only played it like one time. I've never played it a lot of times, so yeah. Let me take off my headphones. Yeah. So let's go over here. It's 1:37 p.m. and I'm still in my PJs. A rebel. Yeah. I'm excited to see what this is about. Um, the reviews look really good, so that's good. Yeah. So that means it'll be a good, fun game. So, yeah. I really want to just try this game out so bad. I'm super excited. I don't really remember, but then I kind of do, so, you know. Yeah. We're going to try to get a good character. Let me turn it up. Oh, it's all the way up. Okay. I'm going to leave it there so y'all can hear me and hear the game at the same time. Okay. I want to be this girl right here. Yeah. I'm pretty excited to play this. Like, I haven't played this in such a long time, so, you know, it's been a while. Ooh, good music. Okay. Here, tap to play. And let's go. We gotta start off with the board, I guess. Okay. How do you jump? Swipe? Oops. Okay, you swipe up. Oh, okay. How do you go into... Oh, I was about to say I can't make that jump. Okay, this is actually pretty easy. Okay, slide. Slide, slide. Okay, slide. Double tap to hoverboard. Ooh, hoverboard! Rock, you go. Now go. So I guess we should collect the coins. And duck. Got letter F. Feel. It's kind of weird to add into a game. Words. Woo! Okay. And then that jump. This is actually easy. Okay. Whoa. I didn't know they moved a lot. I did okay. Yeah! Woo! Okay. Okay. We're gonna play one more time and then we're gonna do a challenge, but I can't tell you the challenge right now. I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, so I'm just trying to get a lot of coins. I don't know why. I just feel like a lot of coins is good. Okay. And then I can, like, move really quickly. And you get more coins. That's good. Ooh, we should get the letter. Should get the letter. Bam, bam. Okay. Okay, this is turning out good. Don't want to lose. Oh, we could have got those coins. No! Okay. The challenge is whenever I lose or fail or do something, I'll either put tape on me and hold up my nose like that, or I will slap myself 10 times. So I'll either put tape or slap myself, because I don't know if we have tape or not. So let's go. Hopefully we don't lose. Of course we're gonna lose, but you know. Yeah. And if we get 100 coins, no, if we get 300 coins, then we don't have to put tape. Well, I don't have to put tape, or I don't have to what was it? Slap myself. So yeah, if we reach 300 coins, but that's probably not going to be possible, knowing me. Okay. Woo! Woohoo! Get all those coins. Get them. Kill them. Okay. Okay. This is actually turning out pretty well, if I do say so myself. Yes! Oh, that scared me. Okay, this is kind of getting fast a little bit. Reach a checkpoint. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Woo. Oh, so it's showing me people who have the top run. Awesome. This is scary. Oh my god! Are we gonna make it to 300 coins? I think we will. I think we might. Oh, I got one. Cool. Okay, but still, we did it. So I either slap myself or I do the tape. Is that coin? 500 coins? Ooh, I like doing these. Gym. Okay, bye. Said bye. Oh, I gotta keep on doing it. Wait. Oh. Okay, now we can skip it. Fog. Fog. Go. Go. OF? Oh, off. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let me go get the item. Okay. Okay. So instead of putting tape on me because I can't find tape, I decided to lick random things. So we're gonna be doing 4 more rounds. So I'm gonna have to pick what to lick. So I just feel something. Oh, this. Okay, let's lick it. That tastes gross. Ew, okay. Well, let me turn it back up and let's see if we can reach our goal to 300 coins. So let's go. Okay. Oh, I really don't want to lick something else. Okay. And if we reach 300, then our goal is 450. Yeah, that's our goal. So I'm kind of nervous because then it's going to get faster and faster and faster. And then you're going to keep on going with and you die, like, later. So what's the point? Oh, I should have got that magnet. Okay. This is actually really fun. This is addictive. Whee! Whee! Oh! What? Yeah. I'll lick the car, or I'll put it in my mouth. Car. Ew. Ugh. Oh, okay. Gross. Come on. I don't think we're ever gonna, like... This fat guy's chasing me. Sorry. We're skinnier than him. We can, like, run faster. Okay, I'm just kidding. Yeah, too many donuts. This will help us with our coin factors. Woohoo! Ooh, let's get these jumpy boots! Jumpy boots! jumpy boots. Okay, good. My voice just like cracked if you did not hear that at all. No! Save me. I don't know why I wasted it. Why did I waste it? Like, rules are rules here. I shouldn't have done that. Ah! I catched up. It's actually pretty fast. Okay. Ah! What? No, I'm sorry. I'm not going to save myself again. Okay. Wait, did we reach 300? Oh, we didn't. Okay. Well, let's lick a random thing. Oh, a broken phone. And look, it's broken because there's no battery chip in it and it's all cracked. Look at the cracks. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It just tastes like you're licking metal or glass, or I don't know what it's made out of. I'm not that smart. I'm just kidding. Okay. Go, 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 go. Okay. I think the last round we're gonna be at like 299 and then we're gonna reach 300 and then we're gonna be all happy. Jumpy boots! They call them sneakers. I call them jumpy boots. The famous jumpy boots are at your dollar store. Buy them for $2 because they're not that cheap. I mean what? I don't even know what I'm saying. Woo! Jump 20 times. Mission complete. Yeah, jump 20 times. What a record. Oh! Okay. Jump for a little life, Timmy. His name's not Timmy. Okay. Woo! Oh my god. Get away from me. Get away! Woo! You don't have nothing on me, peoples. Okay. Woo! 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 I think we're doing pretty well. Oh, these little kids are beating me. And I'm a grown, responsible adult. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not. Okay. There's a red-headed person. That's cool! Ah! No! I can't. And we were at like 254. Oh, we get a hoodie. Trixie's hat. Trixie's hat. What? Oh. We just turned around. So how's your day going? That was weird because my face was stuck like this. And then it turned around. Well, we died, so now I think we should lick this, whatever this is. Look, it's like a little thing. I don't know what it is, and it has this. I like that. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Okay. I cannot reveal what the last thing is. What do you think the last thing is? Oh, okay. This is the last time. So sad. Okay. Jump for your little life. Let's go get some more coins. Ooh, look at all these coins we're building up here. Okay. The main focus of this for me is coins. Coins come very, very great in my life. You should respect coins too. Ah! No, I'm sorry. He's gonna have to save me. I'm wasting all of them. It's not fair on this dumb, stupid game. Well, it's actually really addictive, so you know, it's not really that stupid. But... Woo! Now ride those train horses. Oh, get a key. I got an extra key. That's great. Okay. Perfect. My life is on track with this game. Woo! Okay. Woo! Okay, this is fun. We're almost there! Okay, this is getting very happy for me. Yay! Come on, we're almost there. Almost there. Come on. Okay, oh! We did it in the nick of time. The nick of time. We were at 302. Okay, let's see what we get. A little treat for us. Ooh, we get another hoverboard. Oh, good. Okay. Boom. Okay. Since we still have one more thing, I will do one more round. Okay. Ooh, you know what they should put on this game? Catch Me Outside. Because they're outside and the police is trying to get them while they're trying to spray paint on something, so they should say Catch Me Outside. I think it did. Like, I saw Cash Me. I don't know. I think I saw it. I don't think I did, but you know, we gotta get this. Oh, our goal is 450. So we need all the coins we can possibly get. Oh, great. Okay. That zoomed us into time. Okay. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Okay. Let's get this, and then let's get these coins, and then let's get more coins. Ah! What? How does this person catch up with me? I'm too pretty. Oh. Okay. At least we got a little prize, though. Oh, we got a key! Oh, that's good. Okay. He's like, howdy dar. Yeah. The last thing is a bow. Wow. Very soft. Okay, bye, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Give it a big thumbs up. And I'm going to end it here. Love you guys so much. Download this game at your App Store on your phone, tablet, whatever you have. And yeah, it's called Subway Surfers. And bye, guys.